Mr. Ravi is a garment manufacturer. His online business is getting popular. His orders are increasing. He is getting a lot of calls and emails for orders. He is making many Excel files, PDFs, and documents to streamline his order delivery. But wait, everything is unable to sync. Mr. Ravi is unable to track status his orders. Confused about his production planning. Can't track his inventory. Unable to manage his supply chain. Getting a lot of negative feedback. Not able to deliver orders on time. So many negative comments have started. With Zenscale, it is easy to do. Warehouse management. Orders. Barcode. Inventory control. Manufacturing process management. Material requirement planning. Consumption against production. Frequent quality checks. Access Zenscale account from your laptop, mobile or any device. Your data is safe and stored on the cloud. Mr. Ravi can have organized business, on-time deliveries, happy customers, high revenue.
Woohoo!
Mr. Ravi can opt for Zenscale and make a successful business. What are you waiting for?